Hello everyone, I'm the Enforcer, and welcome to the Day 118 summary. In this first clip, we can see Ukrainian using a Manpad to shoot down an Orlan 10 drone. As per usual, the Russians have been using a large amount of Orlan drones in an attempt to get more information on the Ukrainian forces.
Диви, сука, блядь, тобі, сука, вечір в хату, блядь, курва, блядь.
О, є! Третій Орлан. А ну покажи.
Сучка, блядь!
In this next clip, we can see a Russian helicopter flying incredibly low over the plains and firing rockets at Ukrainian forces in the distance. In this clip, we see a Ukrainian MLRS system being hit by the Russians. This is one of the few times that we've actually seen on film the Ukrainians taking losses by a confirmed Russian attack. After this, we can see that the Ukrainians exacted vengeance as an artillery barrage in the Kharkiv region then destroyed multiple Russian vehicles there. The Ukrainians have resumed activities in the Kharkiv region, although we do not know what their aim is. So far, we have not seen them capturing mass swaths of ground, but we have seen them levying large amounts of artillery against the Russians over the past several days, giving us an idea that the Ukrainians may be trying to inflict massive amounts of losses while not actually conducting a true offensive. We can see here a Russian logistics truck driving down the road, and we can now see what appears to be wounded being loaded into the truck on stretchers to then be carried away. This does let us know that this artillery barrage has caused casualties. Please make sure to subscribe, and I will see you all in the next one.